His ship was on fire. It was sinking, listing so hard to one side that the cannons were nearly useless. Men were dying around him. The sea was coming in. The enemy had already called for his surrender, and John Paul Jones shouted back, "I have not yet begun to fight." Then he fought for 3 more hours, from a burning, sinking wreck, and he won. Think about what that means. Every single physical fact in that moment was telling him it was over. The water said it, the fire said it, the body said it, the math said it. He decided the math was wrong. That is not a story about a hero. It is a story about a man who looked at every reason to quit and made a private choice that none of it was final. You are not on a sinking ship. You are sitting in a warm room, losing to nothing but your own decision to stop. He fought from a wreck. What is your excuse?